What if one of Europe's most advanced main battle tanks was fighting at your side, ready to smash through enemy lines of armor and infantry vehicles? This is the reality for Ukraine's soldiers today, as they battle for their nation with the support of the formidable Leopard 2. But the question remains, has this tank, often described as one of Europe's finest, truly lived up to its reputation and managed to dominate the war in Ukraine? Stay with us, because the answers you'll hear are right here on our channel. The Leopard 2 is a third-generation main battle tank from Germany, developed by Kriegsmarine in the 1970s to replace the Leopard 1. It entered service with the West German Army in 1979 and has since undergone numerous upgrades and variants, such as the Leopard 2A4 with its distinctive box turret, and the Leopard 2A5 with additional armor protection. Over the decades, its reputation has been proven on the global stage, with widespread adoption across Europe and beyond. In late March 2023, the first Leopard 2 tanks arrived in Ukraine, with Germany delivering 18 units following a landmark decision in January to authorize shipments both from its own stock and from allied nations. Many analysts hailed the Leopard 2 as a potential game-changer in the conflict, citing its advanced optics, superior fire control systems, and powerful 120mm gun, capabilities designed to break through Russian defensive lines. Since Russia's full-scale invasion in February 2022, tanks have remained central to the fighting. Ukraine initially relied on aging Soviet-era T-72s, which lacked the accuracy, firepower, and mobility of modern Western designs. The arrival of the Leopard 2 shifted that balance. Armed with a 120mm smoothbore gun and a 7.62mm machine gun, capable of speeds up to 70 km per hour on roads and around 50 off-road, the Leopard 2 combines firepower with agility. Its comprehensive protection against mines, improvised explosives, and anti-tank weapons makes it not only a formidable weapon, but also a symbol of Western support and technological superiority on Ukraine's battlefield. On the battlefield, the Leopard 2 is widely regarded as superior to Russia's T-72 and T-90 tanks. Its design emphasizes crew protection, advanced fire control systems, and superior mobility. Ammunition is stored in protected compartments with blowout panels, greatly reducing the risk of catastrophic explosions. Combined with modern battlefield management systems, the Leopard 2 provides its crews with enhanced situational awareness and coordination, making it a far more survivable platform in modern combat. By contrast, Russian tanks rely on compact carousel autoloaders that store ammunition inside the crew compartment, a vulnerability that has repeatedly led to devastating turret explosions and heavy crew losses when struck. A recent heroic action involving Ukraine's Leopard 2 tank was captured near the city of Pokrovsk. Ukrainian forces deployed the tank to eliminate an enemy sabotage and reconnaissance group reportedly hiding inside a building. The Leopard 2 advanced toward the target, aimed its main gun at a first-floor window, and fired, neutralizing the defensive position. Once the mission was complete, the tank began to withdraw. But retreating under fire is never simple. The crew had to move quickly and cautiously. While the Leopard exited the city with relative ease, danger awaited at the outskirts. Russian forces launched mortar strikes, and enemy drones began tailing the tank. The first drone hit the rear section, causing the vehicle to halt briefly. The issue appeared resolved, but moments later, another drone targeted the tank's path. Fortunately, the attack failed to achieve its goal. The Leopard 2 successfully escaped the kill zone. Later, the tank commander revealed the damage, only minor scarring to the hull. This incident underscored the resilience of Western armor and the Leopard's ability to withstand modern battlefield threats. From the early stages of the war, Ukraine had been requesting Western tanks to replace its aging fleet of Soviet-era T-72. The arrival of Leopard 2 tanks marked a significant upgrade in both capability and symbolism. As President Volodymyr Zelensky stated during the initial deliveries, even if Ukraine's Western partners supplied fewer tanks than Russia deployed, The support itself would boost troop morale. The Leopard 2, a 6 variant sent to Ukraine, features advanced composite armor, including tungsten, plastic fillers, and ceramic components. It can be further equipped with modular add-on armor to defend against shaped charges and kinetic energy penetrators. Defensive systems include smoke grenade launchers and automatic fire suppression, offering comprehensive protection against modern battlefield threats. But the Leopard 2 is more than just a weapon, it's a political message. Its presence on Ukrainian soil signals a deepening commitment from NATO-aligned countries and a shift in the balance of military influence. Each tank embodies not only firepower, but also the will of Western nations to stand behind Ukraine in its fight for sovereignty. In this sense, the Leopard 2 serves as both a battlefield asset and a strategic symbol, reinforcing Ukraine's resilience and challenging Russia's narrative of dominance. Despite its reputation as one of the most advanced tanks in NATO's arsenal, the Leopard 2 is not invincible. Recent footage from the Kupiansk region shows Russian Lancet drones successfully striking and disabling 2 Leopard tanks. These loitering munitions, designed for precision attacks, have proven effective against even heavily armored vehicles. In addition, Russia's use of first-person view drones has intensified, with reports indicating that 6 Leopard 2 tanks were destroyed over a 4-month period in 2024. The Leopard's Cold War-era design, while upgraded, was not built with drone warfare in mind, making it vulnerable to low-cost, high-precision aerial threats. Beyond battlefield losses, the Leopard 2's complexity presents logistical challenges. Repairs often require specialized facilities located far from the front lines, sometimes in western Ukraine or even Poland. This slows down recovery and redeployment. These realities underscore a critical point. Even the most advanced Western tanks face serious limitations in drone-dominated warfare. The Leopard 2 has demonstrated both its strengths and its vulnerabilities, proving that even the most advanced Western tank is not immune to the realities of modern warfare. In Ukraine, it has faced relentless artillery, mines, and precision drone strikes from Russia's Lancet systems, with some units damaged or destroyed. Yet its presence continues to carry weight far beyond the battlefield. For Ukrainian forces, the Leopard 2 is not only a powerful machine of steel and firepower, but also a symbol of resilience and Western solidarity, boosting morale and signaling international support. Each time it rolls forward, it reminds the world that dominance in war is shaped not just by technology, but by the courage of soldiers and the alliances that stand behind them.